Saturday, the 17th of May, 2025, coming up on I-85. North is to the right, south is to the left. We're going to go straight across and go to the Quick Trip and get a coffee. Then we're going to come back and get on 85 south. I don't know where we're going to end up. About 75, 80 degrees, 9 o'clock. We're going to park over here on the side. We got gas at the Kroger, so we won't be getting gas. Okay, let's go ahead and cut it off. And we'll be back out shortly. Yeah, this Quick Trip is also a truck stop, and we're right here at 85. It's already getting loud and rowdy. 9 o'clock. We'll get on 85 and turn it off. We may get off at the next exit down there and check out the pilot. I think this is 147 Jefferson. US 129. Yeah, and that loud piece of junk was back there at the Quick Trip. They were revving it up, getting video of it revving. Sky. We'll probably put 2 or 3 of these short videos together. We'll go ahead and turn this one off unless something starts getting exciting. Okay, we've gotten down to, I guess we just came past Jimmy Carter, or not. Anyway, we're right I think what we're going to do is get off at 285 and then take Buford Highway down to Lennox Road. Buford Highway ought to be interesting at night. And then take Lennox out to Buckhead. That should be sort of interesting. Then maybe work our way over to 75 and out. I don't know how the headlight glare will do. This windshield has a blue million little sand ticks in it that refract the light, and these headlights that come head on, it just not conducive to good video. And I don't know a thing about front ends. I mean, absolutely nothing. I put shocks on this thing yesterday. Thought that would help. It's swaying some. Well, swaying a good bit. But that hasn't done a lot of good. I mean, this thing will drift all over the road. It's a constant fight steering it left and right. I'm going to have to figure that out before we go back to Florida to do our volunteer work. If we get the chance to, if we can do it. I don't know if we'll be able to do it or not. Okay, let's work our way over. This is Buford Hwy. We could get off and go ahead and get over and go down from Norcross, but I think we'll just do the 285, get off at Buford Highway, and then go in. Station is right there on the right once you go past the bridge, and that's where we would meet, and I'd pay him, and there was a little mobile home park back down behind there, and I cannot tell you how many times I was approached for sexual favors from women, girls coming up from that little mobile home park. County had to know about it. You'd think they would have shut it down. Over in Brookhaven too. It's $big now, but back then it was just getting started. That's before actually, back down behind Oglethorpe, one of those four-way stops down there. We were doing a lot of work for John Whelan down there, and drugs, prostitutes come up to you at that four-way stop all the time. I think that was actually DeKalb County. I don't think it was the city limits of Brookhaven. I think that would have actually been DeKalb County. And I did talk to one of my friends at DeKalb County Police. We were talking. I talked to him about it, and he said, "Yeah, we know about it." of the Vision Computers advertisements, unless Vision Computer is moved, they're up here at Jimmy Carter. If you get off here and go right, they're in the shopping center right down on the right. I've always wanted to buy something from Vision, but they're supposed to be super, but the prices are so high. Can't hardly afford to use them. Of course, the warranty's so good, I guess they got to charge more to give you that kind of warranty and still have a hard location, hard store, mortar and brick mortar, whatever you want to call it. $366,666 miles. A lot of sixes. Now 67, but there's still 4 sixes. I don't know if y'all can tell in the camera or not. Drifting back and forth in. Please get behind me. They'll pull me over and think I'm drinking. Speed racer on the right. Well, I tell you, people are lunatics. drive like lunatics. Gotten off at this exit before. Well, I guess I did years ago. Okay, I see what it is. Now, for y'all native Atlantans, DeKalb Countyans and whatever, there used to be a Treasure Island and the tank farms up here. It must have been, I don't know what year it was now, late 70s. Tank farms caught on fire. My wife at the time worked for Treasure Island, and she was just happened to be up here at this store for about a week, and they wouldn't let them out of the store for, I think, for that day. To Dorville city limits. Let's go ahead and turn this off. We're going to go left, and then we'll start one Buford Highway ITP inside the perimeter. I said north is to the right, Norcross, Duluth, all up through there, left, Chambly. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this off. This will be a wrap.